Oh yeah.
So I'm ready now, and I think it's like 10:08, but I'm gonna head to my friend's house and then I will introduce you guys to my losers. So we just made it to Madison's house. Here's Evelyn. Hello. There's our driver Kim. Where's she at?
Almost hit her car.
Oh. Y'all didn't hear it here. And Madison is somewhere. But she brought us all Starbucks, and then she brought us sandwiches because she's so nice.
You know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making you right. Wait till your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby. You a little 48 baby.
Why does it say that we are
Why is it going back and forth?
from space to space? I didn't know your car could teleport, Madison.
On a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just.
So Cam just found parking. Oh, there's construction going on in the back. So yeah, but we made it to the beach, and now we are trying to.
Keep on parking.
Well, our goal is to take everything out of the trunk all at once.
All this.
And that's hey, look at the vlogger.
Subscribe to.
Oh, Miley Vega. I thought you were gonna say it.
No, I don't know.
Subscribe to Evelyn. Oh wait, subscribe to Evelyn's vlogs. I'll add it right here. Oh yeah, so this is everything that we have to take. So we got all the things out, surprisingly.
Strong.
Look at Evelyn.
No man.
There's wait,
Look
Madison,
Look at us.
Kim.
I'm like,
Mom. Kim is the. I was gonna say Kim is the mom of the group, so that's why we're just following her around.
even though we have an actual mom in the group.
Who? Oh yeah, we do. I was gonna say who. We do have a mom. We're gonna see.
I was confused too.
We're gonna see the actual mom in the group in a bit.
We went to that first location you sent us, like exactly there.
Oh, Madison, you look good. Look,
Okay,
get in the sun.
By
Wait,
the
what
houses.
up?
Yeah, we already.
Ah, look at her sandals fit.
By the
Okay.
grass area.
Oh wait.
Not the toes.
It's just they're sparkly at the end. They're sparkly at the end. That's why. Go ahead. Okay, yeah. Wow, you're funny. Let me see Kim's fit. Dang, look at the hair. Wait. Hit one of these. Look at the hair. Dang. Oh.
Yeah, give me those keys. Sorry, my bad.
We'll take better pictures later. This is just for the vlog.
Don't look at my toes.
Oh yeah, don't look at the toes. Here's Evelyn on the phone type. Okay. Oh. Get me.
Hey, we got Miley. All right. Jeez, look at the braids.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Jeez. Looking good. Okay.
And we're still lost.
So basically, we still can't find Karina.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so me and Madison, we couldn't. Like, why do we have a long ass walk?
No,
You gotta see the hill.
Y'all don't see that.
Hey,
Y'all don't see that.
what's your turn that way?
Oh,
It's a big hill. Like, we started like all the way over there.
Oh, you can't even see through here. But like, we'll go into the house.
Yeah. So now we are waiting.
I don't. Look.
No, I do.
I'm like, you better zoom in on that shit.
wait.
I'm like, you see? Can you see it?
Yeah, you can.
I'm like, I'm telling you, it hurt.
So, oh, thank you.
Yeah, okay.
But anyway, so we are waiting here because we needed a break.
Yeah. As you can tell, our shoulders were hurting. So.
Yeah. But
Break.
Kim and Evelyn.
Yeah.
You're Madison.
I am Madison.
Kim and Evelyn. I was gonna say it again.
It's okay.
I feel like you guys are always together. That's why I was like Kim and Madison.
Really?
Yeah.
Kim and Madison? Oh, yeah,
More
yeah.
than Kim and Evelyn.
Okay, I thought you meant Evelyn, me and Evelyn. That's why I was
Oh
like, how did
no,
you get
Kim and Madison.
Okay, yeah, most definitely.
But anyways, they're gonna go look for Andrew, which is.
Oh, not Evelyn.
This is how fucked up that walk got us. So
not okay.
I don't know. There's the
Maybe my
beach,
coffee there too.
but you see how it's all downhill. I think they went that way. We're gonna wait because we got tired and there's the cop. No, literally. I'm like, this is the break I needed.
I know.
I need a little
I'm massage you. Okay, you can massage me.
5 minutes and 5 minutes, and then we'll go. But I'll update you guys because look at all the stuff we had to carry.
This is like 2 people.
Like, that's a little insane, no? That's a little extra.
Oh,
Yeah.
we still gotta go? Interesting.
Yeah, and we still haven't hit the beach yet.
I'm like, maybe
And
I should
it's
put it on
like
my
what?
opposite shoulder.
It's like 1.
I don't know where my phone is.
See, I found her phone.
1:12. Yeah, I also found my phone. It's
Yeah.
1:12 p.m.
So we'll update you guys if we ever make it to the beach. I'm gonna give the camera to Evelyn because she's not doing nothing. I'm observing with baby Joseph. We're observing. Cheek. Mira, mira. I'm recording. And your mom. Your mom's sitting up too. What do you think, baby Joseph? Are they doing a good job sitting up? What do you think?
Oh, it's cotton.
So they're trying to open up the chair.
Hold on.
There's Kim. Here's Evelyn on baby duty. There's baby Joseph. Biting her shoulder. Aww, that's so cute. And here's our little setup. It's low key.
Why is it not going?
Like, we did pretty good. Look. We got this umbrella. Yup, yup. I forgot my eyeliner at home. Like, home. I think you said I forgot my eyebrow. Here you go. You want me to do it right here?
That's okay.
So we made it to the beach. Now the water is Kim. Hi. We are all sandy because we just took pictures. Oh, the water's coming. Ooh, kind of feels nice. So me and Evelyn are on our YouTube grind. Yes. So we're both recording. There's Kim.
Hi.
There's Evelyn.
Apparently, I'm actually pretty.
Yeah. Apparently, she's actually pretty.
I'm kidding.
There's Madison. There's Karina, baby Joseph. There's Andrew. And I look bald. Ooh. Oh. Well, actually, it's very cold. Yeah. I don't know if I like this. She got watermelon. Love it.
I feel like such a grown-up.
Oh. Oh, Phoebe. Does he like it? No.
I'm right here.
And we're gonna go all the way in. My back is wet. Dude, hey, these waves are coming in. Not getting all over here. And just an Indian watermelon. A wave came and splashed me, and now my makeup is probably horrible. And the main purpose why I didn't want to come in was because of my makeup.
Oh, the waves come down.
All of a sudden.
All of a sudden.
So we are packing up. I'm on baby duty.
Oh, you know what else?
So the rest of the losers are packing up. Yeah, it was a good day. I'm super tired. I don't even know how I look right now because you know how like the phone gets dark. Okay. So how'd you like the beach? Did you like it? You went in the water and you went in the sand and you took a nap, right? Yeah. So we are at Raising Cane's. There's Kim. There's Evelyn. There's Madison.
Oh yeah.